In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and connect Zotero with Chrome. By the end, you'll have the Zotero connector added to your browser so you can capture citations, PDFs, and web pages in a click. Zotero is a free reference manager that helps you collect, organize, and cite sources, and the Chrome connector is the bridge that lets your browser send items straight to your Zotero library. Start by heading to the official Zotero website. This is where everything begins and ensures you're getting the genuine tools directly from the source. Once the site loads, look for the download option on the homepage. That link takes you to a page that lists Zotero's desktop app and connectors for different browsers. Don't worry about choosing the wrong thing here. The page clearly highlights the browser add-on you need. On the download page, find the section for the Chrome connector and click Install Chrome Connector. This is the small browser extension that adds a save button to Chrome and detects citation details on articles, library catalogs, and many publisher sites. When you click that, you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store listing for Zotero connector so you can complete the installation. In the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show you a quick permissions prompt. This tells you what the extension can access so it can read web page details and save files when available, which is necessary for building accurate citations and pulling in PDFs when a site allows it. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install the connector, and you'll see a brief notification letting you know it's ready. You should now notice the Zotero icon in your browser's toolbar or in the extensions menu. That icon will change depending on the content on the page. Sometimes it looks like a document, a folder, or a book, indicating what Zotero can capture from that page. At this point, the connector is installed and connected to Chrome. If you already use the Zotero desktop app, the connector will talk to it in the background and send items straight into your library as you browse. If you primarily use Zotero on the web, the connector can save to your online library when you're signed in. Either way, you've set up the piece that makes saving sources effortless while you research. That's it. You visited the Zotero website, chose Download, selected Install Chrome Connector, clicked Add to Chrome, and confirmed with Add Extension. You're ready to collect sources faster and keep your research organized as you work.